Hi everyone, how to solve n minus 6 whole square is equal to n square. What is the value of n? First step, we can write n minus 6 whole square minus n square is equal to 0. Next, here we can apply this rule: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can write n minus 6 plus n into n minus 6 minus n is equal to 0. This n cancel out this. N plus n is equal to 2n minus 6 into minus 6 is equal to 0. Next step, we can write minus 6 into 2n is equal to minus 12n. Minus into minus is equal to plus. 6 into 6 is equal to 36 is equal to 0. Next step, we can write minus 12n is equal to minus 36. Here we can divided by both side minus 12, so we can write minus 12n over minus 12 is equal to minus 36 over minus 12. Minus cancel out minus, minus cancel out minus, 12 cancel out 12, so n is equal to 3. This is the right answer. This is the value of n. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.